This is a side panel of our bathtub, and look at the caulk. It's cracked, it's peeling, it's discolored. It just makes the whole bathroom look old and dirty, even though everything else is clean. Today, we're going to be fixing this. We're using the silicone caulk for kitchen and bathroom. This is waterproof, shrink-proof, and crack-resistant. So it's going to come with everything that you need included. It has the masking tape, the little caulking tool, the actual silicone caulk. My only suggestion would be to, if you're going to do a large project, is to have some extra masking tape on hand. This comes in a squeeze tube, so you don't need a caulk gun, which I loved. It's easy to control, easy to store, and perfect for small home projects. It's bright white, which is exactly what I wanted to make everything look fresh again. Once I was done removing the old caulk and cleaning the area, because that part is important, don't skip that one. The new caulk sticks way better to a clean, dry surface. You just squeeze a steady line and smooth it out with your finger or the caulk tool. Afterwards, you remove the masking tape once it's dry. It looks brand new. No cracks, no gaps, no stains, just a clean, crisp white line. This actually really worked, and I would definitely recommend this product. We were sent this to test out, and after renewing my bathtub and making it look absolutely gorgeous and brand new again, I would definitely recommend this. This caulk would be great for bathtubs, showers, sinks, toilets, windows, doors, kitchen counters, basically anywhere you need a clean, waterproof seal. What I love most is that this was easy to use. I didn't have to hire a professional, I didn't need any special tools, and it wasn't a big mess. Just a small tube in about 20 minutes, and now my bathroom looks so much better. The silicone caulk has a strong adhesion. It doesn't shrink, it doesn't crack, and it holds up really well in wet areas. I would recommend this if you've got old, ugly caulk making your bathroom look tired. This is such an easy fix. Huge improvement, low effort, high impact.